Today, RAAR.
Yes, RAAR.
RAAR. The concept today, warm versus cool tone
Yes.
makeup. How do we find our tone?
Oh yeah, tone.
If you have like a white shirt or a white piece of paper, if you put it up against your face and you look at yourself in the mirror and you look more yellow, because if you're like this, you see this, like my dark circles come out more, my beard looks more obvious.
Right.
But here, things like that tend to look less obvious.
Less. So I'm warm. Eddie is
More cool tone.
First kit is gonna be the eye kit. We have eyeshadow, a brow mascara, a brow pencil. And we have two different color sets.
These palettes, I feel like are really good for people with monolids or people that have eye shapes like yours.
I just really thought I don't like makeup because it's so like
There's a lot of sparkle and glitter, yeah.
But then also if you just skip the sparkle ones, like just use the matted ones, I guess, that would help you to achieve a very natural daily
look,
and then just pop on the glitter ones
Right.
when you're like,
Glitter on there.
seriously, it's so pretty. Like, it's super pretty. It's super pretty. It's so sparkly.
All right, let's get started. If I'm using this, what I would do is I'll probably mix these two colors.
Oh, the color's so nice on you. Nice, that looks beautiful.
Thanks, RAAR. Eyebrows, especially for a pencil like this. Start on this side,
Really, you start there.
blend it with that.
And we also have the brow cara. Wow, it goes on really naturally.
Their mascara,
Neo
very unique.
metal screw brush.
Right.
And it's washable. It's like brush free, which is super innovative.
Most of the product goes at the bottom, and then as you're pulling up, it goes less and less until you reach the end where it tapers off into a more point.
And I love the eyeliner because it's also very innovative. I've never seen anything like this before. Usually used to hate felt tips because, and they just like, they're never fine. It's always like thick. It looks like a marker almost, like the felt tip ones that they come out and they dry out. And they get damaged really easily.
Oh, right.
But
If you
then
use it a few times.
One from Neogen. Oh, so pretty.
Thanks, RAAR.
To the next kit, we have the lip kits. The warm side, I have these colors.
And on the cool side,
How would you use these? Like if you were to use it all together. This is the sweet coral. That's a nice color on me. Pretty pink, corally, orangey, matte. I like it a lot. It's called Mandarin Red.
Mandarin red.
Mandarin.
I like the shine that it gives.
Yeah.
I like that. Oh my god.
Go Eddie, show them.
Because it's a pretty strong red. I feel like I would use this on it. This is one of those colors where you use it as a base and as your point color. So you use a thin layer as your base and then put it one more time in the center to kind of brighten it. Rose Marsala. It's a very natural lip color. RAAR Shining Glass Lipstick, number 5, Pink Scarlet.
Oh, it looks so pretty on you. Cute today though. A cleansing kit from Neogen. The Lemon Bright, the peeling, the new version, the Clean Beauty version, and the Carrot Deep Remover Oil Pads. Take one, and then you can take off all of your makeup off with just one single pad. There's no animal testing done. It's all clean beauty, no fragrance, no alcohol included ingredients. So it's very safe to use. Also great for sensitive skin as well.
Nearly all of it came off.
Oh, we have the Lemon Bright PHA Gauze Healing Pads from Neogen. Ta-da! It comes in 3 different layers. It has a place where you can slip in your fingers, so they'll be very secure. And one side is embossed, and one side is not, but it has a very like soft mesh. All of you guys that have sensitive skin, you don't have to worry about, it being too harsh for your skin or for you to like get it irritated. None of that's gonna happen.
Yep.
Foam cleanser, and it is the green tea. We always talked about it. The product, the ingredients are actually really inside the product. And the foam is supposed to be the ones that are going into your pores, digging up all of that dirt and all that residue out of your skin.
This smells really good. Thank you guys.
Jen Thank you, Antonio King Jr. Thank you.
Thanks, Hararu.
Bye guys.
Bye.